Every project faces uncertainty. Some surprises help, many do not. Risk management reduces threats and grows opportunities. It improves predictability, budget control, and stakeholder confidence. This lecture shows how to identify risks, analyze them, plan responses, and monitor results. You will learn simple tools and practical habits. We focus on clarity, ownership, and timely action. Effective risk management is continuous, not a one-time task. Start early, keep it light, and update as you learn. A risk is an uncertain event that affects objectives if it occurs. It can be negative or positive. An issue is a problem happening now. An assumption is something believed true without proof. Track assumptions because they can become risks. Clarify objectives to spot meaningful risks. Define scope, schedule, budget, and quality targets. Ask what could help or hurt these targets. Use plain language so everyone understands. Use multiple sources to find risks. Different voices reveal different threats and opportunities. Try these methods. Brainstorm with the team and stakeholders. Review past projects and lessons learned. Check assumptions, constraints, and dependencies. Walk through the plan with a checklist. Map processes and interfaces for weak points. Ask external experts for fresh views. Capture each risk with cause and effect. Write clear specific statements. Example, because vendor may delay, our launch may slip. A risk register is your single source of truth. Keep it simple and current. Include fields that support action. ID, date identified, and reporter. Risk description with cause and impact. Category and affected objective. Probability and impact ratings. Risk score and urgency. Owner and response strategy. Triggers, actions, and due dates. Residual risk and status. Last review date and notes. Use a spreadsheet or tool your team will maintain. Qualitative analysis ranks risks quickly. It guides attention to the most important items. Use scales like low, medium, and high. Consider probability, impact, and detectability. Build a simple probability impact matrix. Discuss risk appetite with sponsors. Evaluate urgency and proximity for scheduling. Group risks by categories to spot patterns. Update ratings after new information arrives. Use workshops to reduce bias. Document rationale so decisions remain transparent. Quantitative analysis uses numbers to estimate exposure. Apply it when stakes are high or data exists. Common techniques include expected monetary value with decision trees, Monte Carlo simulation for schedule and cost, 3-point estimates using optimistic, likely, pessimistic, sensitivity analysis to find key drivers, align models with real data and assumptions, validate inputs with experts, present results as ranges and probabilities, use outputs to size reserves and set realistic targets. Select a strategy that fits the risk and constraints. 4 classic options guide decisions. Avoid, change scope, or approach to remove the threat. Mitigate, reduce probability or impact with controls. Transfer, shift impact to a third party, often via contracts. Accept, take no action beyond monitoring and reserves. For opportunities, use exploit, enhance, share, or accept. Document chosen strategies and why. Confirm feasibility, cost, and timing. Plans only work when executed. Turn strategies into concrete actions. Assign an owner with authority and time. Define steps, budget, and success criteria. Set triggers to start actions at the right time. Integrate tasks into schedules and backlogs. Track residual and secondary risks created by actions. Use change control when plans affect baseline. Communicate changes widely. Celebrate risks retired by good work. Risk management is a cycle. Keep it alive with regular reviews. Hold risk reviews at agreed intervals. Scan for new risks after milestones or changes. Watch triggers and leading indicators. Update ratings, owners, and dates promptly. Escalate severe risks early to sponsors. Perform periodic risk audits for process health. Maintain a risk burndown or heat map for visibility. Capture lessons learned. Improve checklists and playbooks. Several traps weaken risk management. Register is too complex, so no one updates it. Risks lack owners, so actions stall. Descriptions miss causes, so responses misfire. Ratings are biased, political, or inconsistent. Only threats tracked, opportunities ignored. Reviews stop after approval, so risks go stale. No link to plan, budget, or reserves. Keep it simple, owned, and connected to delivery. Consider a marketing website launch in 8 weeks. Sample risks. Vendor content delay may slip schedule. Mitigate with weekly checkpoints. High traffic may crash hosting. Transfer using scalable hosting contract. Scope creep may inflate costs. Avoid by freezing content after week 3. Limited testing time may miss defects. Mitigate with risk-based testing. Viral success could boost signups. Exploit with fast onboarding path, track triggers, owners, and dates. Update weekly during stand-ups. Good risk management is practical and continuous. Start with a clear register. Prioritize with qualitative analysis. Use quantitative methods when stakes demand it. Select fit-for-purpose responses and execute them. Monitor, report, and learn every cycle. Next steps. Create your risk register template. Schedule recurring risk reviews. Agree probability impacts scales and appetite. Size reserves based on analysis. Capture lessons and improve each sprint.